In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use an image as a text background in Figma. Start by opening your Figma file. Next, import the image you want to use inside your text. You can drag and drop the image onto the canvas or place the image from the file menu. Once the image is on your canvas, select the text tool and create a text layer. Type the word or phrase you want to display. For the best effect, use a bold font with thick letters and increase the font size so the image is clearly visible inside the text. Position the text on top of the image. Make sure the text layer is above the image layer in the Layers panel. Select both the text and the image. Right-click and choose Use as Mask. Figma will use the text as the mask shape and display the image only inside the letters, creating an image-filled text effect. You can double-click the mask group at any time to reposition or resize the image within the text until you get the look you want. You can also edit the text, change the font, or adjust the size while keeping the image fill effect intact. This technique works great for hero sections, posters, banners, thumbnails, and creative typography designs. And that's it. You've successfully created text filled with an image in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.